Hi, I'm Soraya from the Food Savers Network here in Darley Street Market. We've got some beautiful vegetables from the stalls in the market and I'm going to transform it into something really delicious. So we're going to start by chopping up some ginger, some garlic and this lovely chilli. A great way to peel ginger is just use the back of a spoon and just take the skin off. Then we'll go on to peeling the pepper. So we don't like to waste any of the broccoli, so we use the stalks. A little bit of onion. I like to leave the mushrooms quite chunky. So if you roll the lime, it gets it nice and soft. So now we've prepared all the ingredients, we're going to start to cook. Smelling very nice. So now we've just added some sesame oil to give it a nice flavour and we've put some light soy sauce in as well. So now we're just going to plate up. Squeeze a little bit of lime juice over the top. And then we'll just garnish it with a few leaves of coriander. So now we've got a lovely stir fry, ginger, chilli and garlic stir fry with some lime juice and yeah, we're ready to eat.